Hello, little one. How are you? Okay, here comes a new one. Yes. This cutie little one. Yes. This kitten has been thrown to the garbage. My nephew saved it. Yes. I don't know if that person has a heart to the pets. I can imagine how people do that. Yes, this kitten has been saved in the garbage bin. That's why we take care of him. A new replacement for the 4 kittens before, and now here's a new one. We hope he can survive. Yes, I think he can. This one is strong.